every time we train Chap, we train Wesley every time I'm entering live right now. That Alright, guys, welcome to Mr. Risk Forex Trading Strategy every time, guys. We are here, guys. What is our purpose of every live that we go, guys? So we come here to analyze. We have a trading strategy that we follow every time. We have the three rule method strategy that we follow, guys. Remember to subscribe to this channel to make sure you are tuned every time to know and purpose to understand the three rule method strategy, guys. So for the people who are joining live, we are here, guys. We will be here the whole of the HR session analyzing the market step by step on how to trade, guys. This is Mr. Risk every time. Remember to stay tuned every time, guys. So this is Mr. Risk, and this is our analysis exactly what we have done. So I'm giving the next signal, guys, for the people who are watching, guys. So this is Mr. Risk. The first thing that we do every time is to look the market structure. Remember, we are using the three rule method strategy that we trade on to, guys. This is Mr. Risk every time. Remember to leave a like and subscribe to the channel every time. So I will just explain in simple things on how we do things, guys. So the first thing that we do, we come on to higher time frame. For example, on the daily time frames, guys, identify the previous daily candle, how it closed, because this candle, the daily candle, it is about 2 to how many minutes to close, around 15 minutes to close. So automatically this candle will close bullish. Now we are expecting the next candle to continue moving up, guys, because we are at the bottom of the range, guys. So the work of the daily time frame is not anything else. The work of the daily time frames is not to identify the market structure. No, 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 no. The work of the daily time frame, it is just to point the direction where the market gonna go down. It will go. If the previous candle it is bearish, we expect it to do what? To move up, guys. This is Mr. Risk every time. Remember to train Chap, train Wesley. Let me put my lights on. Well, all right, my lights are not good, but you can hear the sound. This is Mr. Risk every time, guys. So after there now, the next thing after now identifying the daily time frame, the purpose of the daily time frame, in fact, it is to identify the market structure. We are done about that, guys. So this is Mr. Risk every time. You can just comment there. You are watching from where? I'm currently in Kenya. This is preparing for the Asia details and how we will enter the trend every time, guys. All right, this is Mr. Risk every time. So that is very okay. Yes, the work of the daily time frame, it's not anything else, because yes, no, 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 it is very okay. Let me see in comment section, guys. So let's come the work of now, the that is H4. It is to identify the working range, the trading range where we can gonna trade. In my purpose of the moves, I can see that on 4 hour I have a range right now. Trading range gonna be yes, I have a very clean range here. Let me just, yes, when the market breaks this point, we have that small range there, and we also have this a very good range of trading. The market gonna go up here at the top of the range here, but let me just change the color for it to be very nice. Okay, that is very nice, guys. This is Mr. Risk every time. Okay, let me just enlarge it to make it more comparable, right? Comparable, to make it more feasible, guys. So we have a very good trading range. So this is the first range that we can trade on to, from here up to here. Then the market gonna move up to here, because that is a clean ranges, guys. So the important thing now, after now identify that, you come now to the three rule method strategy. You apply it systematically. So how the three rule method strategies applied, it very simple, guys. So we go to the higher time frame, that is H1 according to us. So the H1, it tells us the direction where the market is going. right now. So we know to identify and to spot the market structure. In our case, the market structure right now, currently, you can see very clearly. Let's just do this. In the market structure, you can see very clearly. It is very simple. So you can see the market broke this one. For example, how do we name this one? So when the market push like this is what we call high. This is a high high. In fact, it forms a high low at this point, right? So the market came and broke. It came again, and it formed a high low. It broke this one a high high. Do you understand that? So we are expecting the market to come down, to break, to come down, to break, continuation like that. So we are spotting the market structure. We are inside the market structure. Remember, every time we don't trade outside the market structure. That is the key point that we know. All right, this is Mr. Risk every time. For the people who are joining live, remember to leave a like and subscribe to the channel every time, guys. Today we are talking about details on forex trading. In fact, guys, we are traders every time, so we need to speak about the 3 rule method strategy that we're gonna apply very systematic every time, guys. Remember, it's about trading. It's not about joking anymore, guys. So this is what we do every time, guys. So we are here and we continue pumping up, guys. So it is here. How did I spot these trends here right now, guys? So after there, we just draw a trend line or a support or a resistance. So the next rule, we remember we are calling it the 3 rule method strategy. So the 3 rule method strategy is a combination of first, for the people who are liking that, very important, continue liking and stay tuned every time. So I want to explain about this trend here. So after identifying the market structure, this is an uptrend every time. Any strategy that not apply the market structure, you're done. You stop trading if you do not. If you're fighting the market structure, do not even trade. Go to do other work, because you will not be profitable anymore, right? So it is very simple. Let me see in comment section, what is your plan? In fact, in Asia session, so my plan, it is buys. Even I bought very early, so I want now to prepare for you now to just spot some trends very early, guys. So I come to wait for, guys, for the next confirmation. It is still here. So after identify here, we just draw something that is visible that support the market structure. So let's say what is supporting this market structure, actually it is something like what is supporting, any pattern supporting here, which is supporting here. Actually it is a trend line. Do you understand? You can draw a trend line, a very small trend line here. So there was this trend line here. In fact, there was this trend line here. The market was tapping that range very well. So another trend line, it's being occurring here at this point, actually. So there is a trend line here. We're gonna expect a trend line that point, guys. So we can draw it like that. It is allowed. It is very okay, right? So people are liking and disliking. It's okay, no problem, guys. So we have that trend line at this point. We are just okay, guys. So this is Mr. Risk every time, and we train sharply, we train wisely every time, guys. So after the market is spotting at this point here, in fact, let me show you guys. So after the market is spotting at this point here, so we expect now, after the market tapping at this range here, it's gonna go up, because that is. So the next one, it is confirmation, actually. So I waited for a little bit, some confirmation here before even doing anything else. Let me remove the auto rotate in this phone, then we continue analyzing the market. That is one by one, guys. This is Mr. Risk every time. Remember to leave a like and subscribe to the channel every time, guys. So it is matter of consistency in trading every time. It's not a joke every time, guys. Trading, it's not a joke. It is matter of consistency in trading, guys. We don't joke here. We come here to do some work, guys. Remember, you're a forex trader. You need to be, guys, tuned every time, guys. So the second rule, it is any support that suggests that supports the market structure. Right now, what is supporting this market structure? It is actually the trend lines. I can see the trend lines. So Yeah, the top, the market tapped here, tapped here. All right, guys, this is Mr. Risk every time. I want just to explain in details. In fact, I want just to explain in details how we do it, guys. Right, guys, in details, in details, in details, in details. This is Mr. Risk. Remember to stay tuned every time, to stay focused every time. All right, for the people who are joining live, this is Mr. Risk every time, guys. So we want just to explain in details, in fact, what actually happens in the market, right? What we are expecting and what is. Let me see in comment section what is actually your plan, right? So it is very simple. We are applying the three rule method strategy very nicely, guys. So here's the trend that we have taken right now, guys. So after a little bit some confirmation here, we took this trend to aim the next key level actually. Okay. All right, guys. All right. This is Mr. Risk every time. Remember to train sharp, train wisely every time, guys. What are we expecting? In fact, what are we expecting? What are we expecting? What are we expecting? What are we expecting? What are we expecting, guys? What are we expecting? And remember, the stop loss we need to put below these structures here. So where is this structure here? The stop loss should be below here. This is Mr. Risk every time. That is actually the point of review. That is the point, guys. Right, guys. So the stop loss actually it is below this structure, and TP it is at the top. Yeah, ratio of 1:2 every time. As we just modify it like that, very simple. And just we continue now looking at the market. This is Mr. Risk every time, guys. This is how actually we analyze the market, guys. So it is matter of consistency every time. So the next entry for the people who have not entered the trend, it is very simple. So we're expecting the market to tap at this level. At this level, let's just draw it at no, it is in a very logical place, right? It is very okay. This is Mr. Risk every time. So the next plan, let's just do this is gold. In fact, we only analyze gold. So this is gold. So the setup is that very simple. So we are expecting this market to be tapping that lane. Yes, after it taps that lane at that point, we're expecting it to move here at the top. You understand that? So that is the key point. So that is the entry point. That is the entry point. In fact, that is the entry point. That is the entry point of the next signal. So I'm expecting just the market to do that. Yes, that is the next entry point where you can earn another position. Actually, this is Mr. Risk every time, guys. Remember to leave a like and subscribe to the channel every time. So right now the market is pumping up because we have entered some buys right now, guys. Let me just tell my people. Right, this is Mr. Risk every time. Remember to leave a like and subscribe to the channel every time for the people you're joining live right now, guys. You know? All right, guys, this is Mr. Risk.